How to replace a 2019 Ford Transit for button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Okay, so we're going to change the battery out on our Ford Transit 4-button remote here, possibly because you notice it's not wanting to unlock, vehicle's not wanting to start. Let's do the quickest and the cheapest repair first. Easy, remove emergency blade. Take your flat tip screwdriver. I prefer this. You can use the blade, but sometimes it doesn't want to work here. This is where you can put your flat tip. So you put it in, twist, twist. You notice how it popped up. Pop that back cover up. Be careful, because you do have this little tab right here that can break. Now you notice it's a 2450. Little trick. Take this, flip it over, and battery pops out. Let's not be Neanderthal. Take your new battery, you'll put it in. It has to drop in, push down, and you notice it did latch right there. Sometimes it doesn't. Don't worry about it. Remember that little tab? That goes down first, push down, squeeze it, snap together, put your emergency blade back in. There you go, you've changed your battery. Hey, thanks again for watching.